Yeah, that guy's probably gonna get copyright infringement.
La-di-do, la-di-do, la-le-do. La-di-do, la-di-do, la-la. La-di-do, la-di-do, la-le-do. La-la-la-la-la-la.
See, the part I don't understand, this is so stupid. Like, if that dude, the dude is good at video editing.
La-di-do, la-di-do, la-le-do. La-di-do, la-di-do, la-la. La-di-do, la-di-do, la-le-do. La-la-la-la-la-la.
If he were to work with me, dude, he could have been my video editor, but instead the idiot wants to make fun of me or whatever he thinks he's doing. But I'm gonna figure out who he is. I have a very good idea who he is already. Pretty sure I know his first name, maybe his last name. And, but I already looked into applying for a copyright thing on YouTube. It's just a big process, so I haven't done it yet. But yeah, they'll stop his whole channel, shut him down. It's the one notification. If he doesn't follow that, it's over. I'm pretty sure I've got some stalkers. People trying to document Atlantis.
Documenting Otalands. Documenting Outlands. Documenting Outlands. Documenting Outlands. Is that correct?
Yeah, documenting Atlantis is one of them. He's a real piece of shit. So if people want to troll me, fuck them. I don't give a shit about them. There's always going to be trolls. Trolls on trolls on trolls. Until the day I take over the world and annihilate all of the trolls. Annihilate all of the trolls. And I have a good plan to do that. Annihilate all of the trolls.
Nobody's gonna hurt anybody. We're all gonna be like three little Fonzies here. And what's Fonzie like? Come on, Yolanda, what's Fonzie like?
Cool.
What?
Cool.
Correctamundo. And that's what we're gonna be. We're gonna be cool.
Whenever you've ever seen somebody with regular hair that wasn't a regular person,